Hello everyone, it's Dr. Sam. Hope your first week in the nursing program went well. As promised, I reorganized the guiding principle for our community of learning in this course and post below. Please take your time to read it. And if you agree to follow those guiding principles every time when we meet on Thursday, please hit reply button and indicate I agree to follow. Meanwhile, some of you reach out to me and ask, how can you prepare for this course?
The following preparation strategy I'm going to share is just one of the many ways. If you already established a good study habit that benefits your learning, please keep doing the good work. However, if you would like to try something new or you are still trying to figure things out, please feel free to give a try. I'm going to use Module 1 as an example. So you can log into your Canvas course and go find Module 1 in our course. And click on Reading. You will find the required reading for this module. Under each reading, I also provide some highlights for reading. Those highlights are the key point in this chapter. Does that mean you only need to read those highlights? Well, I'm going to leave this decision to you. Okay. If you would like to know more and deeper about nursing history, you probably want to go through page by page in this chapter because there are a lot of interesting information here. However, for some reason, life becomes very busy in this week. You have a multiple assignments or exam due. You need to pick up extra shifts at work because rent is due. Or for some reason, you have a big expense. Highlights here would be your best friend for the preparation. So let's use nursing history as an example. In order to master the content about the nursing history in Chapter 1, I highly encourage you to go through Table 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and page 6 to 8 about Florence Nightingale. For example, Table 1.1, you can go to your point, log into your ebook, find the textbook here, find the Table 1.1. So Table 1.1 here summarize some of the nursing history from the past. You can also scroll down, find out the 1.2, talk about the religious aspect in nursing history. So this table summarizes a lot of important information here that you would like to pay attention about. I also upload the PowerPoint slides for each chapter from Lippincott. During your preparation, if you feel like you get lost easily in the content, you can use these PowerPoint slides as a guideline for study. However, I wouldn't recommend any of you to memorize the content from this slide. There is a lot of exhaustive information in those slides, and some of the contents are unnecessary, irrelevant to the exam.
Now you might ask, Dr. Sam, I'm super confused now. What should I study in order to pass the exam? Well, learning is never about passing exam. Learning is about to fulfill our future goal and achieve what we would like to achieve. But I also understand without meeting the 73% by average of all the exam, you cannot move forward for your nursing journey. I understand your anxiety and I'm at your side. For the written exam, most of the questions will come from our class discussion. What does that mean? I will create some practice questions this coming week We will practice together. Then you will have a more understanding about the question pattern you will have in your written exam. Meanwhile, starting in week 2, I'm going to have you work as a group to create your own exam questions based on the module content. Well, stay tuned. I'm looking forward to seeing you all this coming Thursday in order to answer more of your questions and engage with more discussion about the future of nursing.